What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. In this video, we're going to construct a ray that is perpendicular to ray AB that we have here at point A using our compass and a straight edge. All right, so here's what's going to happen. I'm going to take a marker. I'm going to pick a point somewhere out here in space, right? Doesn't have to be exactly the same as what I'm doing right now, but I'm just going to go, let's say, point C. I'll pop this guy right here, okay? Doesn't have to be right above B. Actually, B doesn't even play a role here in the construction part of this. I just had it there so I can name this ray AB, and you know what I'm talking about, okay? So point C is on there. Could have been up here, could have been over here, could have been right here. Cool? All right. Now I'm going to take my compass. This is the important part here. I'm going to uncap it, and I'm going to set it to the distance from A to C. Think about your compass as like a distance measuring device, right? Kind of like a ruler, but different. So I can have it fixed at a certain distance. So I'm going to loosen this thing up, get it set to from point A to point C there. It's looking pretty dang good. Tighten it down, and then I like to double check it because sometimes when you tighten things down, it will move. All right, that looks good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pointy end here, okay? It's going to be at point C. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a few arcs, right? You could, if you wanted to create like a full-on, almost a full circle here. It's a little tricky for me to do on this board, so we'll see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy at point C. I'm going to swing down. Whee! Make sure that I stay at point C. I'm doing pretty well so far. So I'm going to keep on rolling with this. Beautiful, through point A. Down here's where it's a little tricky for me. So I'm going to reset. Okay, I'm going to reset here. Get some of these markers off there. I'm going to go back to point C where I was. And I'm going to create an arc that intersects this ray right there. Okay, if you wanted to go all the way around, you could have done that, right? Really, we're only going to need like this portion of the ray right here, but it's a little hard to visualize these things when you're first doing them, especially, and knowing like where things are going to project to. So now I've created some new points, right? I've got some new points going on here. I got a point right here that's a new point, right? And I've got this point that we already created. Why don't I go ahead and connect those 2 points? And I'm even going to pass through the large arc that I've created here over on the other side. So if I do that, woo, pass through point C, which is actually the center of this circle that we didn't completely draw right there. Did I just create a new point? I certainly did. All right, I'll call this point right here D, and then we'll call this guy E since I did it in that order. Now if I connect AE, if I connect A and E here with a straight line, oh my goodness. This guy right here is perpendicular at that point A. So we got ray AE, ray AE. Let's write it down, make it official, right? Ray AE is perpendicular to ray AB at point A. Dang, man. That's super dang dope. Super duper dope and awesome. And my goodness, ED. That's a diameter of this large circle here, right? That's cool too, man. A lot of cool things with constructions. I'm a big fan of constructions. All right, you guys have a great day.